I got the call from Carl to come see the house. Nothing could really truly prepare me for when I walked through the door. The place was a complete and utter disaster. If anyone's ever seen the movie Money Pit with Tom Hanks, this is that house. It's that exact story. Sometimes you couldn't write it up. All of a sudden you're standing there and you fell through the ceiling and there you are. And everything was destroyed. Everything was gaudy. There was a master, 2,000 square foot room for one individual. There was another master square foot room for the other individual that was 2,000 square feet. You had no feeling of home. You had no feeling of organization. The smell, you can't even recreate the smell that was here in this place. A lot of the smells consisted of water damage. There was 17 roof leaks. There was rotting carcasses in the walls. So we had dead animals that have been, just rotting this whole entire time.
I didn't know that.
The wall right behind me over here had a rat's nest that was about 7 feet tall. We had roots growing through the wall. All kinds of stuff.
I avoid that stuff. I come in later, so I miss that part.